Okay, so I'm going to try not to get in the way of the camera for you. You can see the dent just here. Tiny little bit of paint damage. Looks like something was rough that hit it, possibly the rough edge of a door or something else, maybe a stone or something. But I'm going to try not to get in the way, and I'll show you how we remove a small ding like this. Just walking the tool in, finding the tip of the tool. Very carefully, very gently, just massaging out the damage from the back. And you don't want to push too hard. Not the end of the world, we can tap back if we need to. Bring the light in a little bit closer, just to pick up any little spots that might need a little bit more work. Tiny bit high here and there, let me just tap that back. Very light taps with a polished tool. One last quick once over. So as you can see with this light, you can see minute detail right down to the orange peel and the paint. And what we are aiming to do is actually just match the factory orange peel, just like the dent was never there. All that's left there now is a little tiny paint blemish. In two minds whether to, I might just run a buffer over to see if anything comes off. Actually a little bit of paint damage in the lacquer. Looks like whatever hit it. I'm guessing it's probably a stone, so it's quite rough. There was maybe a little ragged edge, but you're looking at paint damage there. But it hasn't broken it. It's just left a kind of an imprint. So no problem. So all done. Okay, so we're all done with the Z4 repair. As you can see, it was a pretty straightforward one. We've been doing this for a long time, so I wouldn't recommend trying it yourself. But yeah, that was as far as it goes. That was pretty much a 1 or a 2 out of 10 in terms of technicality. The Z4 is a little bit different to most cars. The quarter panels can be tricky on a lot of cars because they are double skinned. Thankfully with the Z4 it's very much like a front wing. You can get a tool up inside very easily, but it's all good. So if you've got any dents and you're in Gloucestershire, give us a call. Thanks, see you soon.